this lesson, we're going to perform an unauthorized write by modifying another user's profile data. So let's launch burp and make sure that intercept is turned off. Also, make sure that a proxy is running using a self-signed cert. Within the emulator, this time we'll log in as Kate. Her password is ACID, and as always, define the server IP address that the backend web services are running on. After you log in, provide a 4-digit passcode for the Remember Me functionality, and click Continue. First, let's look at Kate's profile. So you can see first name is Kate, last name is Libby, and our email address and phone number. Okay, now let's log out and log back in as the user Dade. So again, we'll launch Hacme Bank Android, define the username as Dade, password is crash, define our server IP address, and log in. Again, just define whatever 4-digit passcode for your Remember Me functionality, and click Update Profile. So let's go into burp and enable intercepts. Click Update within the application. And when the request is trapped, you can see here that there's this username field. So let's change that to Kate. And we'll change some other data there. So maybe the first name we'll set as Brad. And then maybe the last name we can change to something else. So perhaps just blah blah. We'll forward the request on and then disable intercepts. So we should get a successful message here, profile updated. We'll go back and then we can just log out of Dade's account and log back in under Kate's. So we'll launch Hacme Bank Android and then just hit the change user functionality on the top there. We'll log back in as Kate. Provide a new Remember Me pin. And then if you notice, it already says Welcome Brad on the top there. If we click Update Profile, you'll see now that all of Kate's data is now changed to Brad, or whatever we defined before. That's it. That's lesson 3.